Hello and welcome to Abby Juicing. Nothing rivals natural juices in speeding up the elimination of toxins. Fortunately, our own bodies have the capability for elimination, and organs such as the liver and the kidney helps to remove many foreign substances in our system. However, if there is an excess of toxins in the blood, the process of purification becomes overloaded. And this is where this recipe comes in. It helps with elimination of the excess toxins in our system. This recipe constitute an excellent solution to further the elimination of toxins that circulate in the blood and possibly will likely cause diseases. The Department of Health and Human Services shows that fruits and vegetables should comprise half of every meal. They further recommend that everyone should at least eat 2 cups of fruit daily plus 2 to 3 cups of vegetables every single day. But I think that this recipe and this video, I hope it will motivate you to stay healthy. Because if you make a juice, you are able to get enough vegetables and enough fruits every single day. So this video, I'm making juices that will last me the whole week. So I won't be able to worry if I'm getting enough vegetables and fruits every single day. But I just grab 1 bottle a day and I know that I have everything that I need for the day. So let's get into juicing. The diet promoted by the National Institute of Health for lowering blood pressure and preventing heart disease and stroke recommend even eating more fruits and vegetables. They recommend eating 8 to 10 servings of fruits and vegetables daily. Why so much? Because they found out that those who eat this much have the lowest blood pressure, the least heart disease and stroke, and the lowest mortality rates. So I hope that we will turn our diet into more of fruits and vegetables. And the best way is to juice. Thank you for watching today's video.